To install a theme in Prestashop, start by opening a web browser and typing in Prestashop in the address bar. The first option that appears should be prestashop.com, which you can click on to proceed. From there, you will see a Get Started option, which you need to click on. This will take you to a page where you can choose to download either the free or paid version of Prestashop. Once you've downloaded and installed Prestashop, follow the installation process outlined on the Prestashop website. After setting up your shop, you will see a dashboard with various categories, including Sell, Improve, and Configure. Click on the Improve category. Then select Design from the drop-down menu and choose Theme and Logo. From there, you can scroll down to see the available themes and options to add a new theme, export the current theme, or customize the layout. To install a new theme, click on Add a new theme and follow the steps to complete the installation. Note that some features may be disabled in demo versions, but this should not affect the installation process for a full version.